Hi guys, I've been using Canva for over a year now and would like to share some tips and tricks that I use to create my designs. First off, here is the website canva.com. There is a free option as well as paid options. I've been using the free version and I feel like I am still able to create different beautiful designs just with the free version. There are so many templates for all the types of various items you can create, from blank documents to social media posts, t-shirt designs, calendars, and even movies. Let's get started with the main page after you log in. You'll find a search bar to look up anything you can think of making. There are many different items and you can see the size of the item by scrolling your mouse over like this. The templates section will show you different collections of designs that are ready to add your own touches to. Today, I'm going to pick a mind map to show you some basic tips you can use on most of the different creations you make. Once the page opens, you will see templates for whichever item you chose. There are a lot of free ones, however, there are even more for the pro version, as you will see. Once you choose the template you would like, just double-click to add it to your first page. After you choose one, it'll pop up on your screen to edit however you choose. I'll pick this one. As you see my mouse roll over the different designs, you'll notice how each is its own segment. If you want to edit sections easily, you can click and drag your mouse across the items you want to edit, as well as choose to group the items together for easier editing later. In this template, each item is its own segment unless we group items together. If you happen to open a template with multiple different item segments, then this next menu will be your best friend in the process. On the top of the page will be some editing options for each section you're in, whether it be the background, texts, or graphics. You will have different options to edit. Whichever item you are editing, you will see the position option. This will allow you to see all the items that are added to your page. The closer to the top equals the same position the item is on the page. As you will see, the background is at the very bottom and will allow you to click on the background and change the color, pattern, or gradient. This button here will allow you to choose a color from the color scale. After you choose the color you want, you can also go back to your chosen color, and with your mouse it will give you the option to change the color to your desired likeness. This option gives you more of a range of colors to choose from. The next button that will be very helpful are the back and forward arrow buttons near the top. These allow you to go back through the changes you made and reverse what had been done. Next, I will show you how to name your file. The box at the top that says Untitled Design Brainstorm is one place where you can change the name of your file to keep track of your project more easily. You can also change the file name under File at the top left of the page, but make sure you click the Edit pencil to save the name, otherwise it won't save for some odd reason. Since the file itself is being created in the Canva software, all changes made to your project will save automatically as long as you are connected to the internet. Under the File menu, there are more options to use. If you scroll down a few options, you will see the Download button. This allows you to save the file to your computer to share with others or to upload to other programs, whatever you choose to do with your project. I am going to show you a little bit more of the editing process. Since each segment is separated, you can edit each separately. Just click on the piece you would like to edit, and once it's highlighted, you can retype what you would like to change it to. Now, right above the page, you will see the editing options changed for text to edit the font, size, color of font, and add different features and effects if preferred. The dots and lines around the segment will allow you to adjust the size and orientation of the text or graphic. The dots will adjust the size of the whole item, and the lines will allow you to expand the object in either direction. This is helpful if you want the text to stay inside another graphic, or you can expand the box so the text is all on one line. The options that also pop up around the object allow you to rotate like this and move the item around easily, giving you the ability to adjust however you choose to. When the texts are selected and you have the option to change the font, there are still a lot of free fonts to use. Next to some of the fonts, you'll notice a small arrow, which allows you to see more font options to use. Near the top of the Fonts menu there will be the Document Fonts, Recommended Fonts, and Recently Used that may help you choose fonts more easily. Once your font is chosen, feel free to adjust however you see fit. This small icon here allows you to add a link to the text. This option that looks like two pages, one with a plus sign, allows you to duplicate an item without trying to search for the design. You can also group multiple objects together to duplicate. To delete an item easily, just press the Delete button on your keyboard. Some graphics allow you to change the color by clicking the object and then clicking the color on the Edit menu right above the page. Lastly, I will go over a few things from the side menu. The first option will show you the templates to choose from. The Style menu allows you to choose from different color or font palettes. The next is Elements, where you will find many different graphics, frames, shapes, animations, and even video and audio clips to use. I prefer to search for the graphics. It allows me to narrow down similar designs for my project. And again, you will find a lot of paid and free designs to use. When you click the design, sometimes you will have the option for Magic Recommendations, which will show more images that are similar. Not every graphic will have this option, but it is very helpful when you need to add more graphics to your design. As you can see, the designs are not very similar to the flower I chose, but there are still some neat designs to choose from. Let's look at some of the different frames and borders to choose from. There is a section for frames to choose, but I prefer to search frames so I can see more options that include different types of borders as well. When choosing the right frame, you might have to try out different options to get the best one that will fit your project. Some frames are only able to be fitted a certain way. The best way to see if your frame will fit your design is to move the frame to the corner of your design and drag the opposite dot to enlarge around your project. This will allow you to see if it'll fit your design or not. Try it out to see what you can create. There are so many options you can choose to create an amazing design. Let your creativity soar. Thank you for watching my video on basic Canva tips and tricks. Stay tuned and please subscribe for more videos.